Okay, what is the design problem? Design a rapid sand filter to supply 4 mld water with the following data. Backwashing water required the 5% of filtered water. Backwash period 30 minutes. Rate of filtration 4500 liter per hour per meter square. Then length to width ratio, no, length by width is equal to 1.6. Then you can solve very simple problem. Yesterday we have, in the last lecture we have solved. So we will solve together. I will ask you the answers and you will keep on answering. Okay. I request everybody to keep on answering. Okay. To keep the mum will not find. Have you copied? Once you've done the copy, then let me know. Then I will tell you the what is the next step. I will keep on telling and you will keep on solving and give me an answers. Okay, this way we will solve the problem. Have you copied problem in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the next step you have solved yesterday? What is the next step? What is the Q given to you? Q is given to you 4 mld. Am I right? So what is the Q?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Q is given to 4
4
ml
into 10 raised to 6 liter.
into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. In this format you can write 4 mld, that is 4 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Okay. The next step, design the filter units. Okay. So here also the quantity required for the filtration is given 5%. So the filtered water requirement per day is equal to 1.05 into 4. Okay. And let me know the answer.
Four point two.
4 point. Others.
24.
Yes, correct. 4.24. Others, if you don't want to answer by unmuting yourself, at least you should write today's attendance. I will take on the basis of
मॅम
answer.
तिथं 1.05 into 4 यायला पाहिजे ना.
1.05 into 4. 1.04
हा मग
into
त्याचं
4.
प्रोडक्ट
1.04 into
4.2 येतं मॅम.
correct. 1.04 into 4 येईल. बरोबर आहे का? Answer is 4.2 million liter per day. Correct na?
मॅम 1.04 कसं काय 0.04 तिथं कसं काय?
Exactly. So that day also I told, whenever you are taking the quantity, what is the mentioned in your problem? It is mentioned backwash water, 5% of filtered water. Okay. सो फिल्टर्ड वॉटर क्वांटिटी किती पाहिजे आपल्याला इथं 5 mld पाहिजे आणि त्या क्वांटिटीच्या एखाद्या रिस्पेक्टिव्ह क्वांटिटीला जेव्हा तुम्ही कम्पेअर करता त्यावेळेस आपण कसं लिहितो मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये की 1 + 5% इंटू of quantity, is it? So 5%, here it was given 5%. In the current example, it is given 4% or 5%. I think 5% itself. So here it should be 1 plus 5% into 4. That will be the current answer. 1 plus 5% into 4. बरोबर आहे का? So 1 plus 4%, 4% in the sense, sorry, 5%, again it is 0.5 itself is coming. 1.05, आपण 1.04 म्हटलं ना, तर ते 1.05. कळतंय का? मी सांगते. Here 5% of total. तर 5% ऑफ टोटल ही क्वांटिटी जेव्हा तुम्ही घेत असता त्यावेळेस ती कशी घेतली जाते, तर ती या पद्धतीने घेतली जाते. 5 into 1 plus 5%. पर्सेंट म्हणजे काय झालं? डिवायडेड बाय 100. ओके, सो देयर विल बी द ब्रॅकेट. ओके, into of total quantity. Of total quantity किती दिली आपल्याला इथं? 4 mld. Okay, so that will be 1 plus 0.05 बरोबर आहे का, into 5 mld. Okay, so that becomes 1.05 into 4 दिले ना इथं आपल्याला. सांगत चला तर तुमचं लक्ष नाहीये. 4 mld क्वांटिटी बरोबर आहे, इथं 4. आणि मग याचं जे आन्सर येईल ते तुमचं आन्सर असेल. सॉरी
4.2 येते मॅम.
4.2.
हा, 1.05 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 4.2. आलाय का सगळ्यांचा आन्सर?
Yes, ma'am.
mld. That means it is 4.2 into 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6. Is it? Liter per day. Liter per day. Now, what is the next step? You need to find out liter per hour quantity. बरोबर आहे? So what is the next step? You need to find out backwashing period. So first of all, you need to find out the liter per hour quantity, the total filtered quantity required in liter per hour. But our quantity we received is the in a liter per day. But our day is not the 24 hours. It is of 23.5 hours, because 30 minutes we have considered we have kept aside for the cleaning of filter unit. बरोबर आहे? आणि मग त्या पिरियड मध्ये जर फिल्टर तुमचा कामच करणार नाही तर ती त्या पिरियडची क्वांटिटी आपण कन्सिडर करून कसं चुकते, इट विल बी रॉंग क्वांटिटी. सो दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव रिड्यूस्ड 30 minutes from the one day, and then we have considered the day as 23.5 hours. Okay, so find out the, write down backwashing period is 30 minutes. Write down please. Backwashing period is 30 minutes. Then the quantity of filtered water required per hour, the quantity of filtered water required per hour is equal to the quantity of filtered water required per hour is equal to, if you will solve at your own level, no, it's a 5-minute job. It is not that much critical, but we are discussing and we are understanding the concepts, and that's why it is taking a lot of time. Otherwise it is a 5 to 7 minute job. Okay, या टाईपच्या क्वेश्चन्स मधून स्मॉल क्वेश्चन्स तुम्हाला गेटला पण विचारले जातात, जे 1 मिनिटात 2 मिनिटात सॉल्व्ह करायचे असतात तुम्हाला. Okay, so that's why you try to understand the concept and then it will be helpful to you to solve that related problems. Okay, the quantity of filtered water required per hour is equal to 4.2 upon 23.5, and let me know the answer.
मॅम 0.178 येते.
0.177.
78. Okay, I will note down here. So the next answer is 0.178. I have received two answers in the chat box also. 0.178. Okay, it is a liter per hour. Am I right? बरोबर आहे का? कशात काढले हे आन्सर तुम्ही?
Yes, ma'am.
Liter per hour. Now what is the next stage? Next.
Ma'am, liter per milliliter.
Yes, pardon. Your voice is not clear.
Liter or milliliter.
Millimeter.
Ah? Yeah. That
Liter or milliliter.
million liter. Into 10 raised to 6 factor is still there, no? Million liter. Not milliliter. Milliliter is a different. Million liter. It's a into 10 raised to 6. Milliliter म्हटलं की तो लिटरचा पेक्षा लहान पार्ट झाला. बरोबर आहे का? So it's a what is the next stage now? Find out the area. Okay, rate of filtration is given to you as a 4,500 liter per hour per meter square. Then find out the filter area. Intentionally, I am putting before you the earlier example to make you easy the steps. Rate of filtration is 4,000 liter per hour per meter square, and area of filter is equal to whatever your answer you have calculated. What is the answer you have calculated? It was 0.178.
1.55.
Okay, we'll wait for others to complete. We'll give 2 more minutes, 1 minute to finish them. (0.178 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 4,500). Then area you will get. What is the area you got, guys? Yes, started receiving answers in a chat box. Area of filter is equal to 39.55 meters square. Good. You have written answer in with unit. To write the answers with unit is very important in a environment. Okay, otherwise you will not get the marks. So many students started giving answers. Thank you very much, all of you. So the answer is 39.55 meters square. Okay, now write down length upon width is equal to 1.6. Length upon width is equal to 1.6. Now, length upon width is equal to 1.6. Then from that, you can calculate length and width. So here, the answer you got is the, what is that? Answer 39.55. So maximum of 35 meters square you can take area of one filter, but it is 39. So here also I will recommend you to go for 2 units instead of 1 unit. So then also it will be similar like the assume 2 filter units and 2 of length to width is equal to area. Then 39.55 is the area, and then you can calculate 1.6 is the ratio of length to width. So you can calculate here and let me know the answer of length and width. I will go and I will write here answers as we have written. Area is equal to 39.55 meters square. Okay. Then L is equal to and B is equal to. Yes, good. Multiple answers received to me. Length is 5.62 and width is 3.51 is the answer. Others can check their answers with these answers, please. एक मिनट है guys. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So multiple answers I have received. Good. I'm happy that the students are contributing. So all have calculated the same answer. So I will write here the answer. B is equal to 3.516 and L is equal to 5.6. Then here it is 3.5 in the sense you can make B as a 4, and here it is 5.6 means you can make length as a 6. Or if you wish to continue with the closest answer as 3.5 and 5.5 also you can take. So which we will take? Let me know. 3.5 and 5.5 or 6 and 4. Which we will continue? 3.5. 3.5. Okay, good. Yes, 3.5. Answer is 3.5. Closest round figure we should go for. And for length, shall we make 5.5? Shall we make? Yes, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then proceed with this. So what is the next step? Next step, go for assuming the round figure, that length width you have calculated. Now keep B is equal to 3.5 meter and L is equal to 5.5 meter for each filter unit, giving total area is equal to A is equal to 2 into 3.5 into 5.5. Let me know the answer. Okay, someone has supplied given me answer. Sanket had given 38.5. Okay, that will be the final answer. Final area. Sonali also given answer. So I hope the answer is area, final area calculated is equal to, final area is equal to 38.5 meters square. Is it? बरोबर आहे ना? असं झालं.
मॅम आपण जर हे असं न घेता राऊंड अप करून एक्झाम मध्ये घेतलं तर
राउंड अप म्हणजे कसं? Nikita, you are answering so different. Whether you have taken length and width as 6 and 4? Nikita Bhagwat.
No, ma'am.
What is your length and what is your width? Why your answer is so different than the others? Recalculate it. Okay, who was asking me about, another question was asked by someone else?
हा मॅम आपण जर एक्झाम मध्ये इथे 5.5 च्या ठिकाणी 6 आणि 3.5 च्या ठिकाणी 4
हो घेतलं तरी चालतं.
चुकणार नाही ना?
No. There is a assumptions are allowed, 100% allowed in the range. Assumptions are allowed in a range. Okay, so you can take as a round figure 4 and 6, no issue. Okay, but you should write that sentence directly. You cannot calculate. You should write that sentence. Instead of 3.56, we have taken width as 4 meter and length as 6 meter. You should write that way sentence, and then you can calculate area. Okay. Then what is the next
answer? Different येते ना मॅम. डिफरन्स जास्त येते आन्सर मध्ये.
तुमच्या इथं कसं आहे माहितीये का, की आता तुम्हाला मी सांगितलं की इथं काय सांगितलंय तुम्हाला की 5% तुम्ही इथं अज्युम करा. हे बऱ्याच वेळा एक्झाम मध्ये दिलेलं नसतं. आता इथं सॉल्व्ह होताना कसं होतं की प्रत्येक जण वेगळं घेतो. मग इथं आपल्याला दिलेलंच नसतं. हे सगळं अज्युमच करावं लागतं. तुम्हाला कधी कधी रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन म्हणजे यातला काहीच डेटा दिलेला नसेल तुम्हाला. कधी कधी फक्त एवढी एकच लाईन लिहिलेली असती. हे सगळे अजम्पन्स असतात. मग अजम्पन्सची रेंज ठरलेली आहे ना, की ते मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला की 3% to 6% यू कॅन अज्युम. 30 minutes this is the standard. Then 4,000 liter per hour to 6,000 liter per hour per meter square is the standard rate of filtration. Okay, so the length to width ratio 1:5. So that is the standards. Okay, so someone will assume in that range itself, everybody will assume the different figure and the answers will be different, but the steps and assumption range is correct or not, that will be checked. ओके. आणि हे गेट मध्ये जास्त सोपं कशामुळे असतं तर गेट मध्ये तुम्हाला फिक्स फिगर दिलेले असतात कारण सगळ्यांचं आन्सर सेम आलं पाहिजे त्याच्यासाठी गेट मध्ये देताना तुम्हाला हे फिक्स फिगर दिलेले असतात पण युनिव्हर्सिटी एक्झाम मध्ये देताना ते अझम्पशन दिलेले असतात. गेट मध्ये जर तुम्ही एन्व्हायरमेंट 1, 2 जर कन्सिडर केला तर तुमचा हा साधारणपणे 13 ते 15 मार्काच्या हा फिक्स असतात एन्व्हायरमेंटचे कारण सोपा सब्जेक्ट आहे. टिपिकल तुम्हाला तेवढंच करायचंय फक्त जे करायचंय ते कन्सेप्ट समजून व्यवस्थित करायचे त्यामुळे तुम्हाला हा गेट मध्ये तुम्ही आता यू आर इन अ 3rd इयर ना सो you can decide which subject you should select for the gate crack exam. जर एखादा खूप हुशार असेल तर त्याने he can go for all subjects if you want to go for the higher score. पण एखाद्याला इलिमिनेशन्स करायचे असतील तर त्यावेळेस तो पण डिसिजन घेतला पाहिजे. पहिली गोष्ट इलिमिनेशन करताना काय की आपल्याला कुठला सब्जेक्ट चांगला जमतो किंवा जमत नाही तो इलिमिनेट करायचा आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये परत कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स किंवा फिरवून क्वेश्चन टाकलेले असतात तो कुठला सब्जेक्ट दॅट वे यू कॅन स्टार्ट युअर इलिमिनेशन्स. ओके सो डिफरंट आन्सर्स आर अलाउड. शॅल वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, नेक्स्ट स्टेप. So now you have calculated final area of the filter. Okay, then final area you have calculated, it is 39.55 meters square. Now what is the next? Design the under drainage system. Step 2, you can go for design the under drainage system. Actually if these are the regular classes, though for the university examinations only the under drainage system and area means the fundamental design is being asked. I used to take the depth of filter as well, depth of filter media, then trough design, all these factors I used to take, but it is quite difficult with time limitation and online, so that's why we have not taken. But if you start preparation you need to go for that factor also, and if you feel problem during that time you can ask me. Okay, or otherwise the classes, in the classes also it will be told to you for the gate classes conducted by the outside agency, as well as I also conduct some classes, revision classes at the end. Okay, that time also we will take it. Okay, now start the design of under drainage system, please. So here you should remember these are the design factors, standard design factors. Okay, you can remember this, these are the standard design factors. Okay, have you written? Design the under drainage system. The total perforations area in the under drainage system to the entire filter area as 0.003%, that is nothing but 0.3% of total under drainage system. Okay, from that you can calculate. These figures will be little bit similar. Okay, 0.003 into 3.5 into 5.5. Then answer, let me know the answer. Total area of perforations. Let me know the answer for total area of perforation. Total area of perforation, we used to say it is AP is equal to, I received answers in a chat box. Let me check. 0.058 meters square, 0.0577, correct. 17P, Snehal, you have taken length and width as 4 and 6.
Yes, ma'am.
4 and 6 you have taken already. Okay. then 0.0577 meter square. Okay, or you can write in a AP is equal to 577 meter square ना, बरोबर, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर, 577 centimeter square.